can feel the wind to the right here. So, well, we might have to deal with this coming back, I'm not sure. Not sure if we're going to deal with it coming back. Ain't nobody's here. This is the spot, man. I don't think you have to pay to be here. But you have to drive your car into that sandy beach, which is not good for the car. Man, I might get wet out here. Okay, Google. What is the wind speed outside?
In Clearwater, the wind is currently blowing at 16 miles per hour from the south.
16 miles an hour from the south. It's strong today, trust me. Okay, we're hitting this at almost practically 12. We'll hit the middle of that at 12 miles. Anything else, huh? The waves hitting the rocks. I remember during hurricanes they would hit the rocks and splash onto the street, the main road. 60. I think I'll ride over here just so I don't get wet. Look at all these birds. Cool, huh? See, the water's coming up on the road here. I don't want to get wet. Fish Glass House taking a bath. Just got one. Uh-oh, look out! Uh-oh, look out! Look out! That is amazing. Look at this. It's like 9 days from last weekend. You might be getting wet here soon. Whoa! Ah, I got a little bit. Got me. Uh-oh. You can ride on the ride if you like. You can ride on the ride if you like. Better chance you're going to get wet. Whoa, I'm getting knocked around a little. Gotta hang on to my handlebars or I'll get wet. Even the birds aren't going out there. Whoa, that one came. Uh-oh. Look out. Getting 13 miles here soon. We're at 1295 right now.
Total distance 13 miles. Total time 1 hour 19 minutes and 15 seconds. Time of day 3:53. Split speed 14.3 miles per hour.
He doesn't want to get his truck bike all wet. I really shouldn't be riding my new bike out here either. If I do get it soaked with... Uh-oh. line going back. We can manage to go another 6 or 10 miles and get 20. Make it 20? Does that make it 20, Courtney? I think so, yeah. Dodge the water today, man. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Flash. Look out. Surf's up, dude. Almost got me, man. Almost got me. Fun day, right? Fun day. Looks like there's water here. Uh-oh. That's going to splash. County right here, see it? Different day, man, different day. I forget what the mileage was on that Hillsboro sign. Gonna hit 14 soon.
Total distance 14 miles. Total time 1 hour 23 minutes and 26 seconds. Time of day 3:57. Split speed 14.4 miles per hour.
What's that noise? You hear it? Check that out, man. It's so cool. Woo! Almost got me. Almost got me. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, now they're gonna get furious with me. Now the waves are gonna get furious. Oh, we need 6 more miles, man. I don't want to go all the way across. You want to go all the way across? Gotta do another 5 miles. There's a bridge up there. Sugar, man. I can tell you, if I let go of my steering wheel, I will be flying to the left. Push me hard. I told you the weekend was different than the weekdays. Whoa. Whoa. Flash. Flash. Almost. Here, man. Look, there's like 2 cars there. Ain't nobody gonna be up here. We're hitting 20.6 miles an hour easily. Cutting penalty. Whoa! 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 You just hit me on the right. As soon as I came out. Pushed me to the left now. What do you want to do? Side you want. Yeah, man. Forget about the waves. Pretty empty today on a Friday. Can't go swimming today. So, 18.25, huh? We're getting knocked 15 miles practically here. If we turn around, we got 38.
Total distance 20 miles. Total time 1 hour 52 minutes and 26 seconds. Time of day 4:29. Split speed 12.1 miles per hour.
Struggling going back. Might get wet here. We're under 10 miles an hour. I knew it was going to be like that coming back. I should have known better. I should have known better. Choppy day today. This is the strongest one I've ever felt out here. But at least it's not going. At least it's not a steady headwind in my face going all the way back. It's going north, and we're going southwest a little. We're going west, but a little bit south. Oh, man. Okay, we're out of the freaking wind a little. This is like the roughest I've ever been riding my bike out here on the Causeway. It's not good for the bike either. Oh man, it was fun going across. I had a bad feeling it was going to be bad coming back. As soon as I hit that tall bridge and I was going up too easily, I knew it. Well, we got just over 3 miles left to ride. Like no place was really a good place to ride today, except for maybe from the south of Phonamana County to north, and that's it. These are angry today. That's how bad it is out here.
Total distance
I don't have
27
any.
miles. Total time 2 hours 31 minutes and 59 seconds. Time of day 5:11. Split speed 9.2 miles per hour.
I don't have any more granny gears. All 11 granny gears. I'm in the highest gear out of 11. The easiest gear. Oh, you know what? I can go to the other gear. I forgot. Let's try that. Okay, now we're in the other gear. Let's see if that helps. Oh, it does help. All right, man. We're taking off here. Did you see that? We're taking off. We are taking off, man. We're going to the moon. Not. Actually, it is easier. Let's see what I can get out of it. 9.0, we're picking up speed. 9.4, 9.5. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, we can do 10. We can do 10. Come on, we can do 10. We're at 10 miles an hour. Hold all calls. Hold all calls. I knew I should have went over that thing. Break here with these bushes. Oh yeah, we got a little break. Now we're back in the wind. We get some more break up here. That was a mistake going across, man, because we really didn't have the time. Now it is 5:35. I mean 525. 525. Well, at least we got a break here now. We got a break.